Turning your engine, AJ680. Turning good, all compressions complete. At the front, engines looks good, as you can see, no damage, no broken, all nice. Compressor looks good. On these sides, engines looks good, no damage, no broken, all nice. Gearbox look as well, as you can see, no damage, no broken. On these sides, engines looks good. Starter look as well in a good conditions. Altimeter looks good, as you can see, no damage. Socket looks good, and on the top, as you can see, all connectors looks good, no damage, no broken, all nice. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, all nice, all good. And turning your engine, AJ680.